Here's a really fun one. Kashmiri chai or pink tea. That color is all natural pink. Trust me. Also, if my hands are looking a little bit hairy from this quarantine, please don't mind me. I'm kidding. Those are my husband's hands. He is the master of making Kashmiri chai, or we call it gulabi chai, which also means pink tea. And the secret here is, of course, in the tea leaf. It's actually a green tea leaf, but it's called Kashmiri tea leaves, and they react in a certain way when you boil it with a few key ingredients, one of them being the baking soda. You boil it down and then cold shock it with some ice water, and magically the color turns pink. You will see it happening before your very eyes right now. So you got to do this mixing thing where you like scoop it out and pour it back in like 20-30 times. You can count it. It has to be 30 times. That's what we did here, and you can see the color is already changing. It went from that brownie color to this almost deep pink, tea pink, if you will. Just give it a strain to get the spices out and have a look. Check out that pink color. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, there's no food coloring in here. Trust me, it is all natural. Just add in as much milk as you like. We use regular milk, but it's really good with dairy-free stuff. Oat milk is one of my favorites. Give it a boil and it gets that beautiful foam that you want in your chai. This is traditionally served with a little bit of sugar. We did not sweeten ours, and chopped nuts on top. Pistachios is one of the faves, but we did almonds and pistachios. And there you go. Full recipes on rootstory.com as always. Come check it out. See you soon.